Check out this Echo Plus second generation with heather gray, the color on the side. It's black on top, as you can see here. And how this works is basically it's voice command, of course. I love the way it sounds, got great response. This is a premium speaker. It's got the volume control, so you can turn it down, you can turn it up. And you can see here there is a mute feature here, so it just shuts everything off so it won't hear you at all. Also a reset button and also multiple commands. Definitely love the way it looks. You can see how it looks on my nightstand here. Actually I have it in the living room. It's on a little table. It's quite nice. And let's hear how she speaks, let you listen. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:12 a.m.
You can see it's nice and clear. It'll play music. It'll give you notifications, give you directions, look up restaurants, play music, all that kind of stuff. Also, you can use it as a timer. Alexa, give me a countdown timer from 10 seconds.
10 seconds, starting now.
So you can see here, she'll notify you. So you can do multiple timers. Easy to communicate with, and you'll see within 10 seconds, the alert will go off, and then you can just tell her to stop. This way you know. You can do shopping with it. Alexa, stop. Alexa, thank you very much.
You're so welcome.
You can see
Your kindness really gives me a charge. Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. All right, there you go. This is the Alexa, and definitely highly recommend this one. It's a great product.